Lecture 3: Importing Video, Audio and Images. Think about it: before you can cook a meal, you need the right ingredients. The same is true with video editing. Before you can cut, arrange or add effects, you need to bring your media, your video clips, audio tracks and images into Filmora. In this lecture, we will learn how to import media files properly, organize them inside Filmora and prepare them for editing. This step might seem simple, but a well-organized import process can save you hours of frustration later. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to import video, audio and image files into Filmora, understand the different ways to bring media into your project, organize files in the media library for easy access, recognize the importance of preparing and naming files clearly before editing. Importing video clips. Video clips are the backbone of most projects. In Filmora, you can import them in a few different ways. Drag and drop. Simply drag a file from your computer's folder directly into the media library. For example, you just go to the folder, and for example, you just want to import this one. You can just drag it in here, go to Filmora, and just move it in here, and just drop it. And here you can see you have a video clip that you can use inside Filmora. Import button. Click Import in the media library and choose files from your computer. For example, you just click in here and go to the folder where you have saved. For example, we have Filmora. And for example, if you want to go with this one, you can click in here and click on Open. And here you have the video that you can use in Filmora. Direct device import. Connect your phone, camera or SD card and pull files directly. Practical example. If you filmed a short interview on your phone, you can plug it into your laptop, import the clip into Filmora, and it's ready for editing. Importing audio. Audio is often overlooked, but it's just as important as visuals. Good background music or clear narration can make or break a video. Importing audio works the same way as video. Drag and drop or use the import button. For example, you can just click in here and you have all these audio files as background music. So you can select any of these. For example, you just want to go with this one. Click in here and click on Open. And here you have that specific background music. You can bring in music tracks, voiceovers or even sound effects. Filmora also has a built-in library of royalty-free music and effects you can use. For that, you can just click in here and you can search it in this as well, or you can just click in here as music. And here you can see there are multiple options that you can use. For example, you just want to go with this one and you can just click in here to download. And here you can see you can listen to it as well. If it matches with your video, then you can use it. For example, you have all these options like trending, vlog, happy and uplifting. And for example, you can use any of these like relaxing weekend, so you can just download it. And here you can see you have this specific audio and you can use it in your video. Practical example. For a class presentation, you might import a calm background track to play quietly under your speech video. Importing images. Images are great for title cards, cutaway shots, or adding visual emphasis. Import images the same way as video or audio. For example, you can just click in here, and for example, you have images in here, so you can use any of these. Select two of these and click on Open. And here you can see there are the photos that you can use in your video. Common formats like JPG and PNG are supported. PNG images with transparent backgrounds are especially useful for logos or watermarks. Practical example. If you're editing a sports highlight video, you could import your team's logo as a PNG and place it in the corner of the screen. Organizing your media in Filmora. Importing files is only halfway the battle. Keeping them organized is the real key. Rename files before importing. Create folders inside Filmora's media library for videos, images, and audio. Although it creates folders automatically. For example, if you want to see videos only, you can just click in here and click on video and you will see videos only. And if you want to see the audio, you can just click in here and you will see the audio in here. And if you want to see the images, you can just click in here and you will see the images only. So it automatically creates folders inside Filmora. Delete unused imports to avoid clutter. Why it matters? When deadlines are tight, you don't want to waste time searching for video_3_final_version 2. Clear naming and organization help you stay focused on editing, not hunting. Importing media is your starting point for building any video project. With your assets ready, you are set to begin crafting your visual story.